Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Twitch on your MacBook and use it like a real standalone app, even though there's no official Twitch app for macOS. The best part? It only takes about a minute. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. You can click the Safari icon in your dock or press Command plus Space to open Spotlight Search, type Safari, and press Enter. Once Safari opens, go to twitch.tv. After the website loads, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small window will appear asking you to confirm. You can rename the app if you'd like, or just leave it as Twitch. Then click Add. That's it. You'll now see the Twitch icon in your dock, just like a normal application. When you click it, Twitch opens in its own separate window. Not as a browser tab, it feels and behaves like a real desktop app. Even if you completely close Safari, Twitch will continue running independently. This gives you a much cleaner and more focused experience, especially if you don't want dozens of browser tabs open while watching streams. And that's it. You've successfully installed Twitch as a standalone app on your MacBook. Simple, fast, and super practical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy Mac guides, and let me know in the comments which app you'd like to install next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.